Hey guys, congratulations on taking your first step to solar. My name's Jackson Wire, the founding director of SnapSolar, based right here in sunny Queensland. Now, allow me to introduce you to my team of professionals who will guide you along the installation process from here on in.
Hello, I'm Shakira and I'm the accounts manager at SnapSolar.
G'day, I'm Jordan and I am a senior solar consultant here at SnapSolar.
G'day, I'm Addison. I'm the electrical foreman here at SnapSolar.
Hey, I'm Georgia and I'm the Senior Administrator here at SnapSolar.
Hello, my name's James and I'm the Sales Manager here at SnapSolar.
Hi, I'm Caitlin. I'm the Logistics Coordinator here at SnapSolar.
G'day, I'm Jesse, your Sunshine Coast Senior Solar Consultant.
Whether you're in the Sunshine Coast or in sunny Mackay, you can sit back and be assured that you're dealing with professionals. You've not just chosen any solar company, guys, you've chosen the best solar company in Queensland, SnapSolar.